Hello students, welcome in St. Xavier School online classes. Students, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel St. Xavier School Hardoi and press bell icon for the notification of new videos. Hello students, today in this video we will understand how we add and subtract the polynomials. So let's start. First, see this polynomial. In this 7x cube, 8x square plus 5x cube is there. So whenever we add or subtract the polynomials, first we identify the like terms because only like terms should we add or subtract. So in this polynomial, first see which terms are like here. Say here the literal factor of this is x cube. Here the literal factor is x square. Here the literal factor is x cube. So these two terms 7x cube and 5x cube will be like terms. Okay. So we will write these two terms together. We will write 7x cube plus 5x cube plus 8x square. Now we will add only these two terms. Okay. Because these two terms are like terms. So 7 plus 5. Remember, always whenever we add or subtract, always we will add or subtract only the numerical coefficient. Only the numerical coefficient. So 7 plus 5, 12, and x cube should be same. Never add the exponent of the like term. आपको exponent of इनके एक्सपोनेंट्स को ऐड नहीं करना है. ऐसा मत करिएगा कि 3 + 3 आप यहाँ पर 6 लिख देंगे, गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Whenever you add or subtract, always add or subtract the numerical coefficient. Clear? Now see this example. In this, identify the like terms. So say here, this and this is a like term because both having the same literal factor here, and 8 and 15 are the like terms. So first we will rearrange the terms like this. And plus 8 plus 15. Now we will simplify these two and these two. Say here the first numerical coefficient is -2 and second is +9. -2 and +9. So using the concept of integers which you have learned in class 7th as well as, so plus minus minus 9 minus 2, it will be 7 because the absolute value of 9 is greater than the absolute value of -2, then therefore the sign will be positive here. So you will write 7 here and x square should be same. X square should be same. Now come here, plus 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 15 plus 8 23. It is the answer. ये दोनों टर्म ऐड नहीं हो सकते because x square here the literal factor is x square and here the literal factor is x0. It means they are not like terms. Simply we can say that these two are not a like terms. That's why it is not possible to add them. I hope you understand how you add the polynomials. Okay. Now we are going to add the polynomials different there. So 7x square plus 11x plus 8 is the first polynomial and 3x square minus 6x minus 7 is the second polynomial. We are going to add these two polynomials in two ways. One is of vertical form and second is horizontal form. So let's start. Whenever you add any polynomials in the vertical form, first write down the first given polynomial like this, 7x square plus 11x plus 8, and write down second the polynomial below it in aligning the like terms. Write 3x square under the 7x square because both are the like terms, and minus 6x under the 11x because these two are the like terms, and minus 7 under the plus x because these two are the like terms. Now we will add this. Okay. So as I have told you, whenever you add or subtract, always add or subtract numerical coefficient. So see here, plus 7 and plus 3 both will be 10. and here plus 11 minus 6, plus 11 minus 6, it will be plus 5. And the integer chapter you have learned about this, how we add or subtract the integers, no? Plus 8 minus 7, you know, plus 1. It will be your answer. Very easy this. Now see the horizontal form. In the horizontal form, first we write down the given polynomial in bracket using the plus sign, because we are going to add here. So first we use the bracket and write down the first polynomial in this, and after that we will put a plus sign because we are going to add the polynomial. And write down the second polynomial. Now we will open the bracket here. So 7x square plus 11x plus 8, and here now we will identify the like terms and write down the like terms together. Clear? Say here 7x square and 3x square are the like terms, so we will write here 7x square plus 3x square. Both are the like terms. And 11x minus 6x, 11x minus 6x, both are the like terms. And plus 8 and minus 7 are the like terms. So see, these two are the like terms, these two are the like terms, and these two are the like terms. So solve these like terms only. So see the sign here, plus 7 plus 3, so it will be 10x. As I have told you, always add or subtract the numerical coefficient. So 11x minus 6x will be plus 5x, and plus 8 minus 7 will be plus, this will be your answer. So there are two forms, vertical form and horizontal form, adding and subtracting. So in this example we have understand how we add the polynomial. See the answer. I hope you understand. Okay, now we are going to the understand how we subtract the polynomials. So I have taken here minus 2x cube plus 7x square plus 3x minus 7. And second polynomial is 5x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. So again we will use the two form, vertical form and horizontal form. So first we understand how we subtract these two polynomials using this and then this. So see here, it is written that subtract this polynomial from this. So first we will write this polynomial, okay. So we will write here 5x cube plus 6x square plus 3x, and again we will write the first polynomial under it using like terms process. I have told you, aligning the like terms means minus 2x cube should be under 5x cube because both are like terms, and 7x square should be under 6x square because both are the like terms, same, plus 3x and minus 7. Clear? Now see here, it is also same as the addition, but there is a small difference. Whenever you subtract any polynomial from the other, always change the sign of the second polynomial. All the terms, change the sign of all terms of the second polynomial. So we are going to change the sign of all terms. Here the sign is minus, so it will be plus. Now the sign of 2x cube is plus, okay, and change it minus. Now the sign of 7x square is minus. Here the sign will be minus, here the sign will be plus. This is a small difference between the addition and the subtraction. Otherwise the both process will be same. So now see, the sign of 5 is plus here, and now the sign of 2 is plus. So plus 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 5 to 7. So we will write here 7x cube. Only small difference is there. So plus 6, now the 7 is not a positive, it is now it is negative. So plus 6 minus 7, plus 6 minus 7, so it will be minus 1. According to the integer it will be minus 1. So you can write minus 1x square or x square. You can also write it only x square, right? So here it is plus 3, now it is minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 0. So you will write here 0x or leave it, okay. Now plus 7 plus 7. Clear? So the answer will be 7x cube minus x square plus 7. Clear? Now come on the horizontal form. in horizontal form, first we write this polynomial in the bracket of 5x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. Now we will write down here negative sign, minus sign, because we are going to the subtraction process. So now write down this polynomial, minus 2x cube plus 7x square plus 3x minus 7. Clear? Now open the bracket. 5x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. Again say here before the bracket the sign is minus. So all the sign of this bracket, all the sign of terms in this bracket will be changed. How? Say here, minus minus it will be plus, minus plus it will be minus, minus plus minus, and minus minus plus. Always be careful here. Okay, now write down the like terms. 5x cube and plus 2x cube, both are like terms. Clear? Now 6x square minus 7x square, both are like terms. 3x minus 3x, both are like terms, and plus 7. Right? These two are like terms, these two are like terms, these two are like terms, and plus 7 is single here. So you will write 5 plus 2, 7x cube, 6 minus 7. It will be minus 1x square. So you can write minus x square only here. 3x minus 3x, it will be 0. So there is no, it is not necessary to write down 0 here. So you leave it, and plus 7. This is the answer. I hope you understand how we subtract the polynomials. Now we are going to understand how we multiply the polynomials. So see here, first we are going to understand how we multiply monomials. Clear? After that we are going to understand how we multiply binomials by monomial, trinomial by monomial. Okay? So understand it very carefully. Whenever you multiply the polynomials, always remember that multiply numerical coefficient by numerical coefficient and literal coefficient by literal coefficient. Understand? So see here, the numerical coefficient is 5. Here the numerical coefficient is minus 3. So multiply 5 and minus 3. 5 and minus 3. You know 5 is a 15. It will be minus 15. You have understood this in integer chapter in the previous class. Now see the literal coefficient. Here x square. So we will multiply x square into x square. Clear? So whenever you multiply the literal coefficient, understand that power should be added in multiplication and it will be subtract. The power should be subtract in division. So here we are going to do the multiplication. So we will add the powers here. So it will be 2 plus 2, 4. So x 4. In the exponent chapter you have understood properly now. Okay. So y multiply by y square. We will write y. Here the power will be 1. 1 plus 2, it will be 3. It is your answer. See here. The numerical coefficient is minus 4 and in that minus 3. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 3. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, so it will be plus 12. Plus 12. Now m square multiplied by m. M means m raised to power 1. So you will write m 2 plus 1. See, power should be add. Now n multiplied by n square. Here the n means n raised to power 1. So the total will be n raised to power 1 plus 2 k. It is your answer. Clear? Now say in this we are going to multiply binomial by the monomial. So we will multiply each term of this binomial by 3x. Means we will multiply this 7x by 3x. After that we will multiply plus 2 by 3x. Clear? So first we multiply 3x and 7x. So only focus on these two terms. 3x multiplied by 7x. So 3 7s are 21, x into x. So here the power is 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. The power will be 2. Now we will multiply plus 2 by 3x. So 3 2s are 6 and x will be same. So it will be 3x to the 6x. Now see here, is both are like terms? No. So it is not possible to add them. No? It will be your answer. Clear? Now here in this polynomial 3 terms are there because it is trinomial. So we will multiply all 3 terms by minus 3x. By minus 3x. Clear? So first we multiply x square by minus 3x. So it will be minus 3 यहाँ 1 होगा तो minus 3 बन जाए minus 3 x यहाँ x की power 1 है तो x into x square तो it will be x 3 1 plus 2 3 हो जाएगा ना 1 plus 2 3 minus minus plus the sign will be plus and 3 here is numerical coefficient is 1 so 3 बन जाए 3 here is x is 1 and here is also 1 to 1 plus 1 2. Always remember whenever you multiply x by x, it will be x square, no? X square. For the last term minus and minus, it will be plus 3 into 10, 30 and the literal coefficient is x. Now see all 3 terms. If they are like terms, no. So it is not possible to add or subtract the terms. This is your final answer. I hope you understand how you multiply monomials by monomials, binomial by monomial and trinomial by monomial. Clear? Now we are going to understand how we multiply trinomial by binomial or binomial by binomial or trinomial by trinomial. Okay? Same method is there. So I am taking here one binomial and one trinomial. So now I will tell you 2 methods here. One is horizontal method and second is of vertical method. So you can use any method to multiply the polynomial. So first see the horizontal form here. In horizontal form, we will write the polynomial like this and follow me very carefully. Okay. Here 2 terms is there and in this 3 terms are there. So first we multiply this trinomial by 3x. Means first we multiply all the term of this polynomial by 3x. Okay. After that we will multiply all the terms of this polynomial by minus 4. Clear? See here. First we multiply all the terms of this polynomial, means all the 3 terms of this polynomial by 3x. So we will write it like this. Okay. Now again we will multiply these all 3 terms by minus 4. We will write like this. Okay. Now we will multiply all these 3 terms by 3x. First we multiply 3x by 2x square, then minus 8x by 3x, then plus 11 by 3x. Same here. Okay. So see here how we multiply. Same process is there when we multiply monomial by monomial. So here 3 to the 6, x1 and x2, it will be x cube. First power यहाँ पर ऐड हो जाती है, अभी बताया था ना आपको. So 3 is the 24, x multiply x, it will be x square. Clear? And 3x multiplied by 11, so it should be 33x. Clear? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? Now see here, same we will do here. Multiply all 3 terms by minus 4. By minus 4. So be careful because of some minus sign is there. Minus 4 to the 8x square minus minus plus minus minus plus, and 4 8s are 32x. Now minus 4 into plus 11, so it will be minus 44. Multiplication is complete. Okay. Now we will identify the like terms. If some like terms are there, so we will add or subtract the like terms. After that, our multiplication should be complete. Okay. Now say 6x cube. Now we will identify x cube is there. No any term is x cube. So we will write 6x cube as it is. Okay. Now 24x square. This is 24x square and it is 8x square. Both are like terms. So we will write these two terms together. So we will write minus 24x square minus 8x square. Clear? Now 3 plus 33x plus 32x. Both are like terms. So again we will write these two terms together because both are like terms. Now tell me the remaining term. Very good. Minus 44. Now count the terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there. Means we have arranged all the terms. No terms are left. Okay. Now 6x cube we will write as it is. See, these two are like terms. So we will add or subtract this. See the sign. Both signs are same. So minus minus plus 24 plus 8 will be 32. प्लस 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 सेम साइन है तो प्लस होता है. इंटीजर्स में आपको पढ़ाया गया है. 33 प्लस 32 इट विल बी 50 सॉरी इट विल बी 65 ठीक है. और माइनस 44 एज इट इज रहेगा. तो इट विल बी द आंसर. इट विल बी द आंसर. समझ में आ गया आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्म कैसे करना है. बाइनोमियल था. इसके 3 टर्म्स को पहले 3x से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. उसके बाद -4 का अगर एक टर्म और होता तो उसके बाद यहाँ पर से भी हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद केवल आपको क्या देखना है. आइडेंटिफाई द लाइक टर्म्स एट देन एंड सॉल्व द लाइक टर्म्स. क्लियर. नाउ सी द vertical method. In this method you will write one term first and below that second term. So you can write any term. You can write this term first or this term first as you wish to. So we will write this term first. So 2x square minus 8x plus 11 here. Okay. And under it, below it, you will write 3x minus 4. In this, it is not necessary to write the like terms below each other. Okay. Because this is the multiplication, not the addition or subtraction. Now we are going to multiply. Say, first we multiply all the terms by 3x. After that we will multiply all the terms by -4. ये नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लाई हम लोग करते हैं. जैसे 234 को आपको 32 से सपोज मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो आप लोग क्या करते हैं. फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द डिजिट्स ऑफ दिस नंबर बाई 2. पहले आप सारी डिजिट्स को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ लिखते हैं. क्लियर ना. उसके बाद इन सारी डिजिट्स को आप सेकंड डिजिट यानी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. यही तो करते हैं. वही यहाँ करना है. फर्स्ट वी मल्टीप्लाई ऑल 3 टर्म्स बाई 3x एंड अगेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई ऑल 3 टर्म्स बाई -4. और अगर मान लीजिए इसके बाद कोई और भी टर्म होता तो फिर उसको भी उससे आप कर देंगे आगे टर्म. ठीक है ना. सेम मेथड है. कोई इसमें डिफरेंस नहीं है. तो बस इसमें ये ध्यान रखना है आपको. तो यहाँ से आपको लेफ्ट से राइट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3x मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2x. इसका 3 to 6x क्यूब हो जाएगा. -8x मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3x इट विल बी 24x square and 3x multiplied by 11 so it will be 33x. Right? Now when you multiply these 3 terms by -4 and write down below it, remember this thing that you will write like terms below the like terms. Means same terms should be like under each other. Okay. So when you multiply 2x square -4, so 2 4s are 8 minus 8x square. It will be -8x square. So you will write here minus 8x square, because both terms are like terms. Because you know in multiplication we will add here, now. So in adding or subtraction, it is compulsory to write down the like terms below each other. So when you multiply minus 8x by minus 4, it will be 32x. So you will write here 32x, because both are like terms. And plus 11 multiplied by minus 4, that will be minus 44. So here no like terms is there, so you will write outside it minus 44. And now add the terms. You know how we add the polynomials. So here no term is there, so you can write 6x cube as it is. See, both sign is same. So we will add these two, 32x square. Now again the sign are same, 33 plus 32, it will be 65x minus 40. So multiplication is okay. This is the vertical method to multiply the polynomials, and previous we have multiplied using horizontal method. So any method you can use to multiply the polynomial. In this video you have understand how we add, how we subtract, how we multiply the polynomials. I hope you understand clearly. Okay, thank you very much.